Welcome to Kirtiskitchenkatta. How are you doing today? I really hope you all are doing well during this pandemic. So today we were in the mood to make quick sambar because we have the medu vadas. So we are going to make quick sambar in our instant pot, and for that I'm going to put my instant pot on saute mode, and I'm going to wait for this sign to turn hot. Once you see this sign turn hot, we will add oil to our inner pot. Okay, so to begin with, I'm adding a couple of tablespoons of oil. I'm just going to wait for a minute or so, and then I'm going to add mustard seeds to it. Okay, so the mustard seeds are spluttering or crackling. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, and I'm going to wait for them to splutter. Now our mustard seeds are crackling nicely. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and I'm going to add lots and lots of curry leaves, and I'm going to turn off my instant pot so our tempering won't burn. If you feel that the oil is cooling down, then you can always put it back on saute mode. I'm adding a teaspoon of haldi, turmeric powder, a pinch of Asafoetida, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, and some tamarind pulp. It's around 2 tablespoons of it. Here I have taken all veggies, which this is just a ready-made sambar mix which you will find in any frozen section of Indian grocery store. Sometimes I like semi-homemade cooking, so it's quick and easy. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just turn on the saute mode because we add a lot of veggies in it. So the oil is cold now, so we want the veggies to cook a bit. Now you can see it has got green chilies also, so just add your red chili powder or other masalas or spices according to your taste buds. We don't eat a lot of spicy food, so I added just half a teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm going to add a teaspoon of Garam Masala. That's optional again. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of Sambhar Masala. It is store-bought Sambhar Masala. You can take whichever you want or homemade, and a teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder. I'm just going to give a quick stir here. I just took out the okra. The okra becomes really slimy as per my understanding, or we don't like it. I'm going to add salt to taste. Here I have taken 2 cups of yellow lentils or tur dal. I just washed it till I saw clear water, and no need to actually soak it for 2 hours, 3 hours. It's good quality tur dal. Also, if you are on higher altitude, I would suggest put a couple of minutes more than what I'm going to show you to put it while cooking the lentils. If you have seen my previous videos, then you will know that I prefer adding hot water. So for 2 cups of lentils, I am adding 4 cups of really hot water. If you feel it's less, you can always add more. And I am adding optional ingredient jaggery to cut the sourness of the tamarind. You can also add date tamarind chutney instead of just tamarind. I felt the water could be little bit less, so I'm adding just 1 more cup of water. And now what I'm going to do is pot in pot method. I'm just put a tall trivet. Here I took 2 cups of Sona Masuri rice to 4 cups of water, and I'm going to put it along with this sambar. Put the lid on and the whistle will be on sealing mode. Off goes the saute mode, and I'm putting it on manual for 15 minutes. And we'll come back. So after the natural release, I am opening the lid carefully. And you can see that the rice is done perfectly. Taking out the rice. Our dal is cooked perfectly. So you can see that the dal is cooked perfectly. And if you feel that the water is very less, you can always add hot water to it. I added around 2 cups of water to it, and I am adding now cilantro, freshly cut cilantro to it, and we are going to have it with medu vada today. But this can be consumed with medu vada, idli, dosa, rice. It has lot of protein, lot of veggies, so it's a perfect meal. And we did rice with it, so it's perfect 1-pot meal. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Kirtiskitchenkatta. Happy cooking. Bye bye.